Hi guys, this is William here from Top 5 Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to tighten the screws properly on the rear panel of our TLP series. It makes sure that the panel is installed on the devices seamlessly to prevent any potential water leaking issues. I have done the testing putting our LF and SF model under 5 meter water pressure and left it for 15 hours. So if you haven't watched the video, please click the link above. Please feel free to test it yourself. And just make sure all the screws are tightened at the back in the order I'm about to show you. This is our TLP1 SF solar powered asset tracker. As you turn around, you see the screws are like this. Please tighten them in this order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can use our electric screwdriver to make it faster. Please set it at number 6. If you are not using a screwdriver, you can use this tool that comes with it in the same order, but make sure it's all the way in until you can no longer screw it. Now the tracker is completely seamless. There's no way that the water can get in by any chance. Before tightening the screw, the panel at the back, make sure the switch are on the on status and the SIM card is inserted.